Hi, I'm Holly from the Sumo Digital Academy, and in the final video of the series, I'll be speaking to various members of the development team about continuous integration and automated testing, and their role in the development of OilStrike 75.
So most undergraduates have an experience with version control. They usually used it in whatever projects they've done at university, but they tend not to have any experience or idea of continuous integration and the role that it plays in modern game development. So we use continuous integration because, well, the games that we make are just so big. There's hundreds of developers, thousands of files, and so when somebody pushes something to source control, we want to make sure that whatever they push works and doesn't break the build for all the other developers working on it. With continuous integration, we're able to use things like build servers and testing scripts to just go through the code that's being submitted to source control. It builds it, tests it, makes sure it works, and it lets us know when it doesn't work and allows us to then fix the problems that have come up.
Commercial projects also run all sorts of data gathering processes in order to identify issues with gameplay or performance, and the OilStrike 75 team did a very similar thing.
The data collection system for OilStrike basically just sort of looked at where players were finding it difficult in the game, or like specific parts of the level where they were struggling with. So there were bits where we'd see loads and loads of people died at this specific like flamethrower. So we looked at how long it took the level, how many times people died, where they died, what obstacle killed them, all sorts, and it was really helpful in the end.
The team built a really comprehensive testing system for Zool I mentioned. So they were able to record input streams and then sort of play those directly back throughout the game to test that basically the game was just robust. Owen Lyons, who's one of the developers on Zool, come in, and Owen's very well known for his sort of speed gaming, and I think he completed the game in like 15 minutes, which definitely beats my like hour and a half. So yeah, being able to just have that within like a short time space just meant like testing was just so efficient and so quick, and it just saved like hundreds of hours of all this testing time, and it made it much easier to deliver a finished game on the PlayStation.